I'm going to do a quick trade on cable.
Wait. Matron, take them away.
And a warm welcome to one and all. If this is your first time here, I am the big fella. That is the Scruffy Trader. Behind me is Wonder Wink, who's got a wonderful hat on at the moment because she's been washing her hair. See, nothing's ever scripted in these videos. It's just me, the camera, and this mad woman running around making my life, well, wonderful, to be honest. You thought I was going to say misery, didn't you? No, it's the other way around. I make her life a misery because she constantly kicks off with the mess that I make. But she does make the coffee. We all know Scruffy likes it coffee. But he likes the charts. And this is going to be a very, very quick video. It's just, really, I'm about to go into market. Now, I'm going to flip the camera. You're writing on there anyway. Check out Scruffy. Oh, yeah. We've got a second channel now. Of our holidays and things like that. So, Scruffy Adventures. Find the link below. Be great if you can support it. It's only just starting. Anyway, let us see what's going on. Okay. So if I flick this over, you'll see another video out today as well. That is trading the Asian session. Now, this is following on from that. So I'm going to clean out some of the marks. And there you go. Did quite well. And what I'm going to do is carry on with what's going on. Had it all planned out. Had a little bit of a jump in earlier on, as you saw. Just drop that back because I like to trade the hours. And all of these marks are quite key. You know, I'm going to take the green ones out because I don't need them anymore. Just like so. But I'm interested in what is left. Okay. Now, I'll be trading this short now. Why? Show you. I worked it out to be a sell. Okay. Now, it's a slowing sell, so I'll only be looking for maybe 10 pips, and then I'm happy. Okay. Now, when I'm looking at this, I'm also looking at strengths, change of strength, etc. Now we can see that the pound is weak and the dollar is strong. And if we look on this side, they're actually the other way around. However, the pressure is still on the pound. Now, I do expect a change in sentiment to come. But in the meantime, it's this movement down into these levels that I'm interested in. Okay, and I do think it's going to come and revisit this. Maybe even get down to here, but certainly onto this one here. And that'll give me my 10 pips. So let me do my trade, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, guys, there we are. Job's done. It's just crashed down into the level that I marked. As you can see, it pretty much stalled bang on it. All right, it may carry its journey further south, but it's now tittering on the level. So your levels are key, not the indicator. And that's something I can't stress enough, because everybody looks for the magic combination. Well, those guys are looking for one of these.
Make it stop.
And sadly, they don't exist. Trading is about common sense. And the common sense approach I've taken today is that. Now, I am definitely done for the week. In fact, I'm done nearly for the month. And we are 6 days in. Why? Patience. Planned it out, done what I need to do, and then step back. Very, very simple. Now, if I flick this over, you can see it's stalling here. So this level was crucial. And that's it. So I hope this inspires you with your trading. And if I can give you some advice, it is simply less is more. Don't chase the markets. Pick a single direction and then wait for the conditions to line up. Now, those conditions, you can have a MACD that's pointing down, you can have an RSI, stochastic, you could use the money flow index. There's hundreds of ways you can do it. But you need a constant on the chart as well, because indicators are fluid. They are moving with the price all the time. So if there is sort of a swan event, little salute to you, Mark, you'll know exactly why I didn't call it Black Swan. A swan event, the indicators will be thrown out and they can't keep up. So you need constants on the chart, something that doesn't move but can be a roadmap. And that's what your levels are. It's why support and resistance always works. And then you have levels within levels as well. And that's what my dotted lines are. They're logical points. But some people have asked me, why don't I use a trend line? Because trend lines, obviously, it's support and resistance. Why don't I use a moving average as support and resistance? Well, again, moving average will move with the price. So, yes, it'll become a bounce point. So if I'm looking at a 15-minute moving average, it doesn't really do a lot. You know, it can kind of give me a guide as to what's going on, but I can't really use it as a bounce point because the big money doesn't look at 15 minutes. They look higher up the chart. So that kind of pushes that to one side. And trend lines, to me, are just too subjective. Where do you draw them? Is it at the wick? Is it at the body? Is it at this candle touching this candle? You don't know. But horizontal across, you can actually see the turning points in the market. Simple stuff, guys. Hope that helps. Very quick. So this one was for you, Alex. Little salute to you. I will keep trying to do this and inspire you. If you want to contact me, all my contact details are below. And if you want to see exactly how I trade and the way that I do it, do go into the Scruffy squad. It's as cheap as chips. And it helps support the channel and causes that's dear to my heart, as does the coffee fund. And if you use the coffee fund, every donation gets my wage makers. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.